and keys. Now I'm back up in this EPMD. Could've walked in my shoes with a street stampede. Can't walk this way, I run DMC. Back in the mail, I sit it down and it's cracking the scale. Had to switch position from the kitchen, nigga. I was flipping like a spatula Dale. Pretty Ricky with them bitches when I'm hitting long as a dread on spectacular hair. Shit, light shit, white whip. Open up and look like a packet of mail. I'm back in Riddell, fucking up the check and chucking up the set. And I'm back up the layover, pay over, way over. Niggas no slumber, but a nigga stay over, nigga. Your bitches with me to the day. AK loaded up the same way. Chain swing, white person screaming out, gang. Fly to kick, Jet Li and Luke, can't. I got a little bit, he got me beige guard like, but a dang. Got a main dame, Audemars, that's my main thing. Got a rollie.
What's up, YouTube? How is it going? Welcome back to the channel yet again, man. Hey, this is now turning into a meetup, car takeover, whatever you want to call it. So I know y'all hear that crazy loud exhaust in the background. Stay tuned. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. This video is going to be super dope, super crazy. Instead of spinning, now we get to see the cars up close and personal. Some people gonna be doing two-step, whatever the case is. Let's meet some of the owners. Let's network. Let's see what they do, man. Make sure y'all tune in on this video. I don't know where I am with this one, but this is a nighttime vlog. Shit. They about to take over the whole interstate again, man. So, like I said, man, this is for professionals only. All right, professionals only. Yeah. All right, let's go. Let's see what we got. Let's go with it. Yeah. I gotta put this shit in my pocket so I get ready to run. Hey, I hope they spinning. Oh no, they not spinning. They trying to get through. Let her out. I went to grab some smoke to see if them hoes gonna work. Yeah. See if them. Hey, it's a lot of people out here mad, man. I'm telling you. Hey, road shut down. That ain't my fault. Road shut down. That's not my fault, man. Like I said, y'all gotta figure that shit out on your own.
A few moments later.
Get freaky, she got a tattoo right by me. And while I hit the gas down Peachtree, hit the club.
Hey, I've been looking for this goddamn vet all night, bruh. All motherfucking night. This shit has been the meanest shit on the block all night. Ooh. And he got on a new set of motherfucking tires already. I don't know how he do it.
Are you alive? Nigga, I ain't never been a yes man. Are you gonna die? You can get murdered on webcam. I don't get tired. Sweat through a headband. You might look alive. That's cause you don't really know you a dead man. This is God's plan, someone stop me. I've been sent here from Illuminati. Evil scriptures written on my body. Me and Satan pull up in a red Ferrari. Don't be trying to put your fucking arm around me. 44 shots traumatizing from the 45. Hit 44 more carbon copies than you kamikazes. That's for everybody. Mama, poppy, sister, brother, cousin, uncle, auntie. This is not Versace, this is hot hibachi. This is Hiroshima, this is Nagasaki. I'm a hot Gandhi, a fucking humanoid Anunnaki. With plenty hammers when I'm riding shoddy. Better use your manners when you talk about me. Ain't too hard to find me. I've been killing niggas till ain't nothing left off. Tryna look sicker than a strap dog. Spend a bitch wanna give me pesos. Then myself I got I was next door. Spit out your crib right after I clean out your shit and then put all of your fucking money in the escrow. Fuck what you saying, I'm not the one that you play with. I think they really was thinking I was the next door. You thought wrong or you all gone? All done. I just might bring back Don Juan. I just might bring back Sean John. Tell P. Diddy that I'm on one. I'ma beat it down with a do-rag. Pussy ate out, just some popcorn. If I fuck with you, that's too bad. How you played out like the dance song. Ain't no bygones be bygones. I should murder niggas when I buy guns. How you get stretched like nylon. This is my band, I'm Dylon. All I wanna do is just drop bombs. And you cheerleading niggas with the pom-poms. My Jamaican bitch got socks on. Every time I hit it, she be like, wagwan. Peter Piper, pick the pepper, and I pick the pressure. Pick a fighter, pick a side, put you in a stretcher. Peter Piper, pick the banana, put it together. Started popping at the people, they bout to meet the Beretta. Better meet the metal, I'm in need of a heater to measure. Put you deeper than was deeper to see in the desert. I was scheming while I'm creeping like 50 feet of the jet. Niggas Peter hit the pedal and put my feet in the metal, goddamn. 508 all on my side, they gon' ride, they gon' ride. Nigga, this a homicide. Oh my god, oh my god. I said I was gon' retire, bitch I lied, bitch I lied. I ain't got no fucking job, this my life, this my way. All of y'all wishy and washy. All my kids in the car seat. I take my dime to hibachi. We do 6ix9ine like Tekashi. Line in the sand, too much time in your hands. I think y'all need to find you a hobby. God got a plan, hope that God hold your hand. I think I'm about to catch me a body. Tell all my teachers that I said I'm back on my G shit and I'm coming back to get even. I went on tour and got paid, now I'm back in the region and let off this Mac for no reason. You were not witnessing greatness, I'm practically preaching, and this is the passion of Jesus. And all you basic motherfuckers are lacking achievement, and I just been laughing and geeking. Bad to business, I got mad intentions. I ain't perfect, I done made some bad decisions. What is competition? I'm a savage winning. You can have